Hi, received a question about the Amtech 9 1/4 smoothing plane. That's stock code E0250. Question was, how do you adjust it so that you can then plane wood? So I'll quickly just go through a couple of the key areas for adjusting the plane and the blade in particular, and that should sort out the problems for you. So on the top here is a red knob. Okay, if you unscrew that, this black cap iron lifts off. There's a little slot here that can come off. There's then two adjusters here either side, and what they do is control the movement of the blade left and right. Okay, so you slacken this off a little bit, just enough so you can move the blade, adjust these two, and the way you tell if the plane's set up right, this is the mouth of the plane blade, this rectangle there. Here is just where my finger is the tip of the blade, and it should be about just under a millimetre, 0.8 of a millimetre, something like that, sticking out. So then it should be suitable for planing the wood. It must be parallel in the slot. So you can see there's a nice rectangle there. The blade here must be exactly parallel, not like that, or it'll shave at an odd, it'll plane at an odd angle. So make sure it's nice and level, just sticking out. If it's too much, it'll dig in. If it's too shallow, it'll skim over the wood. So having got it so it's set up, and you can see here now there's the blade in the mouth. Then just tighten that up a little bit, not too tight, just turn it maybe half a turn more so it doesn't move, and it's now set up. So if we want to go and plane, you can see here it's taking off reasonably wide shavings, almost the width of the wood, and nice thin layers. So that's the setup and using EO250. For any other questions on Amtech tools for the home garage and garden, please go to www.amtechdiy.com.